Hello, this is for collectives. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, okay lang yung may next readings pa tayo. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. For collectives. You do over the Four of Cups and the Magician. I feel like you're thinking about someone na pwedeng with the Magician energy. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging totoo sa'yo. You feel like may mga tinatago siya, especially yung emotions niya for you. And this person could be someone na gusto mong malaman yung totoo sa kanya. Gusto mong masabihin niya sa'yo kung ano yung totoo. Lagi mo siya naiisip po. Seven of Swords, yeah, pwedeng itong person na to is umiiwas na malayo sa'yo. Pwedeng meron siyang other options for now with the Nine of Cups energy. So, meron siyang mga other person or other nakakonect. And with the Knight of Wands, yeah, a lot of pag-iwas, paglayo dito sa person na to. Lalo na with the Chariot energy at the bottom of the deck. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Nine of Pentacles, King of Cups. Mahal mo yung person. Parang naging parte na rin siya ng buhay mo. Kumbaga hindi lang siya babastahing person lang. May mga contributions na rin siya with regards to your success. Alam mo, somehow, nakaramdam ka ng fame or popularity or somehow, malaki naging ambag ng person na ito para maging maganda kahit kaunti ang paningin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Maybe may mga accomplishments ka na achieve dahil sa kanya through this person. Nakita nga pala ko ng Scorpio. You could be a Scorpio or dealing with a Scorpio. Letter P, K, F, C. And the planet of Neptune is here. So, pwedeng spiritually connected kayo nitong person na to. May ano kayo, may connections. And, yeah. The Five of Cups is also here. So, nakikita natin na lulungkot ka. Because you love the person. King of Cups. I feel like nandun yung kagustuhan mong mag-offer dito sa person na to ng relationship. Two of Cups. You love the person. Queen of Swords. Kaya lang mas more on utak or isip ang ginagamit mo. Pero mahal mo siya. Ace of Cups. Emosyon niya sa'yo. Four of Swords at saka the Hierophant. Well, emotion niya para sa'yo. Clarify natin what's with the Hierophant. Ace of Swords. The Empress. To tell you honestly, pwede ngayon with the Four of Swords wala siyang pakialam. With the Hierophant and the Ace of Swords, meron siyang mga new beginnings na ginagawa ngayon. Tsaka this is self-love with the Empress. So, mas nakikita natin yung pagmamahal pagdating sa sarili niya. Yeah, I don't feel any emotions here. In the near future. Well, this is an advice with the Empress na mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, mas mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Forget about this person, temperance is here. I know a lot of you, kahit sabihin kong forget about this person, maghihintay pa rin yan. Alam mo yan. With the Two of Wands, Leo, Sagittarius energy, mas nakikita natin na may mga plano ka. Pero, Three of Swords, pwede kang masaktan kasi. Three of Swords, kung Five of Wands, ilalaban mo to. So, huwag mo na lang ilaban. Parang ang advice sa'yo is to love yourself. Well, yung person na to, you do have the Star. And the Two of Pentacles. Medyo hindi pa niya alam kung anong gusto niya mangyari. Kumbaga tuloy-tuloy lang siya kung ano yung gusto niyang, ma-achieve sa buhay. Hindi pa niya sure. Hindi niya pa sure. Basta, hindi love ang focus at priorities ng person na to. Kaya, wala lang kung maghintay ka or mag-focus ka sa emotions niya, etc. Just focus on yourself. Love yourself. Yun yung pinaka-advice. Okay? Kung may gagawin kang pagbabago, sa sarili mo yun. Focus on money. Medyo maganda yun. Nakikita nating outcome dito pagdating sa usaping pera. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.